Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. The Greyson 2 is one of our largest ranches and is a great open concept floor plan that is great for entertaining or just enjoying everyday life. The large great room features a cozy electric fireplace. Overlooking the great room is a great kitchen with large island, gleaming granite countertops, full tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, pantry and large power pantry plumbed for a second refrigerator, great for storage. The dining/BFR has a tray ceiling and lots of windows to allow for great natural lighting. Waterproof Evacore click flooring is in the foyer, great room, kitchen, dining area. After a hard day you will love coming home to this spacious owner's suite with a good size walk-in closet, and ensuite bath. The owner's bath features dual vanities, with cultured marble countertops, framed mirrors, separate soaking tub, shower, water closet, linen closet and luxury vinyl tile flooring. 3 other bedrooms and bath with dual vanities, framed mirrors and luxury vinyl tile complete this lovely home. For some great outdoor entertaining, there is a 17 by 10 covered porch and patio. Smart home security system, sprinkler system. Convenient to SRS, Kimberly Clark and beautiful downtown Aiken. No city taxes. The neighborhood has sidewalks and a pool coming next summer. $7,000 buyer incentive to be used for closing cost or upgrades. USDA